Hey y'all, it is your favorite nerdy girl here, Nerdy Girl Reviews. Happy New Year, happy 2023. Yes, we kick off this year with a new Dollar Tree haul, so please stay tuned for all the new goodies. Now y'all already know my strong and soft 6 rolls with the bonus 2 rolls, extra rolls, and it's 2-ply, $1.25, y'all. Seriously, not even Target has a good option like this. So I will say Dollar Tree is still king, at least when it comes to the toilet tissue paper. Now the paper towels, they've brought the 176 count as opposed to their 140, $1.25. Now I also have picked up in their cleaning section, household appliances for cleaning purposes section, and this is Scrub Buddies. I did pick up another pair of reusable gloves in large in this nice hot pink. I will say they are sturdy, they're durable, they will last you a while, so but you also should recycle them pretty much like you would the sponges, which are also really great, and they bring 6 for $1.25, also by Scrub Buddies. I highly recommend these. Also, I will say I didn't pick up any. They have some essentials upgrades also for organizational purposes, but if I pick them up, I'll showcase them, but I didn't pick them up. But if you see it at your local branch, do pick it up because they do look good and sturdy. What I wanted was the one that I believe Bargain Bethany or Chic on the Cheap reviewed them on their channel, and it's one that's much bigger that'll allow you to kind of store it under your bed. That's not the one that I came across, but still they are kind of rolling them out because now it's the new year and people want to organize. Bargain Bethany just reviewed these too. And these are great. They're safety. They're all for the purposes of, keeping kids safe, babies safe, in a way to prevent from them opening up latches and whatnot. And I came across these. I'm going to give these a try. That's why I picked them up, just because I have certain things that I don't want fiddled with. So I will give these a try. But she reviewed it on her channel, and I'll link it down below. And you can see for yourself that she uses it for the purposes of the garbage bin, and they come in very handy. This is all in the baby beauty section at my local shop. Now in their Crafty Square, I picked up another pack of glue sticks, 20 total. It's always good to kind of keep in stock, especially since they went missing for a number of months at my local branch. Also, I picked up in their cleaning section, tissue section, their trash bags. They've brought these in. I'm going to give these a try. Yes, it says 4, but they seem pretty sturdy. It says heavy duty, and it's by Glad. And it has like a Gain Febreze kind of scent, so I'm going to give these a try. They say they're pretty large, and it fits about up to 30 gallons, so I'm going to give these a try, and I will let you guys know if it is worth about $25. Also, in their cleaning section, I guess household appliances as well, they have the LA's Totally Awesome soap dish and citrus. They did not have my apple, but it's fine. I will use that and see if I like the scent. And they had the spa soap, creamy and honey moisturizing hand soap. They haven't brought the antibacterial for the longest. I don't know why, but nonetheless I needed some soap, so I opted for that one. Also in their household hardware appliance section, they have the super glue, which I was running low on, and it's always good for crafts and just, for overall things that kind of fall apart. It's good on metal, rubber, plastic, 10 ounces. It really is equivalent to crazy glue, I will say. Now, moving on to fun stuff, they have brought in Valentine's Day items. This is Party Favors, and you can see these beautiful jewel-toned, heart-shaped jewels, I guess, to lay out on a table or whatnot. I think they're rings. But what I'm going to do is going to pull them apart for a DIY, so please stay tuned for that. I bought last year flowers, roses, and they were like pleather, but they haven't brought them, not to my local spot just yet. But I'll keep an eye out for that. And I will say what they have brought. I bought this like almost a year ago, and they had them in different aromas. But this one is an incense, and I believe it's a holder, and it brings in incense sticks as well. And it's supposed to induce confidence. It's patchouli, sorry, but it comes in a nice, and I will say that I think I reviewed them, and maybe I'll link it down below as well. They are pretty sturdy, and this would typically cost you like maybe $5 plus, at least in 5 and below. So to get it for $1.25, and it has a really nice aroma, so I opted for this. And what is the brand name? Elegance Aromatherapy. Handmade in small batches, but I do recommend these. I'm sure that if you look online, it'll probably be way pricier. And I have opted for Hosley, and this is also aromatherapy. It's an incense stick, and it's for zodiac signs. So I thought this was cute. It might be kitschy, but I liked it. It's definitely my sign. Brings 20 pieces in Virgo. They had Gemini, and I think Sagittarius and Aries, but I opted for my own sign. Thank you. Also, I think I've mentioned also I do love their Scrub Buddies. Their sponges. These are really good to recycle. They're good, and they bring 6 in a pack, so they're very good and multi-purposeful. It's not just for the dishes. You can use them for a number of purposes, and they really do come in handy. And lastly, in their paint section, their beauty section, they had these beautiful press-on nails, and I'm a big fan of B color, I will say. I don't know, the other ones, like sassy and chic ones, I wouldn't mess with those, but the B color, I've given them a shot, and they look pretty good, and I like these colors. These are really nice for like Valentine's Day, so I thought these were cute. They're called stiletto shaped, and yeah, they're like a nice like off pink, deep pink. And then I opted for also the light pink by B color as well, which is a lot more longer and whatnot. So yes, if you see them in my reviews, you already know it's from the Dollar Tree. But again, it's all about tricking the eye to make it look, even if it's not super expensive, but it does look chic and expensive. You can't go wrong. All right, y'all, that is my new haul for the new year. I hope you had a great New Year's Eve, and that you are enjoying these last bits of vacation, or if you're going back to work but you enjoyed the last few holidays in comfort of your home and family and friends and loved ones. So with that, y'all, many blessings to my followers. Thank you all for following. I appreciate every one of you viewers. My channel would not be up and running if it wasn't for y'all. So many blessings and many hugs and kisses to all of y'all. And if you like my videos, give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment down below what item here stood out to you. And if you'd like to follow my videos, hit the subscription button and the notification button so you could be alerted of my next haul, DIY, and review. And until next time, y'all, XOXO, Nerdy Girl.